Black 34, custom. It's a safe. You know, it's got the little stipple, so you can.
Camaro commentary. My feelings is hurt a little bit, y'all, man. From the Grey Ghost had a very rough break-in. First few shots was very rough. It was actually, this is my third build. It was actually the worst out of my 3 builds. The Grey Ghost, this one I had the worst results with functionality with this one. I do think I need to take the Marine Gun Builders, not to look at the Marine Gun Builders polishing techniques for the first time, you know, first time perfection or whatever, because I can see like the feeding into it, it seemed to have some issues, man, with this one more than the other ones. You know, I couldn't get through not one mag clean, but towards the end I started to put 3, and I was just going from the shark to the ghost, from the shark to the ghost, shark to ghost, 3 in each, boom, 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 boom. It was doing that kind of good, but basically, man, y'all gonna see the video. You'll see the issues that I had. I definitely feel I need to go back to the drawing board. I need to look at some things that I haven't looked at, check some things I didn't check, and you know, not too much to say about that. Oh, something I want to say that was funny. I didn't have my front sight tight like that, and I do have some blue Loctite. I probably needed that up there, to be honest, but yeah, they got loose. So it got loose on the Grey Ghost, and I saw it get loose, so I went on and took it off before it flew off. But the shark, they flew off. I saw it get loose, but I saw it a little too late. That just flew off. So I found it though. It just flew straight back in the screw, but still held down there. So I was able to keep that. So yeah, man, I don't even really got much to say this time on the wrap up, on the commentary, but yes, I gotta go to the drawing board, get some things right. And also, like I said, those bullets were not right. I put some time where I put 2 up close to the camera, let y'all get a view. And I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but if you could, you can see one was definitely taller than the other one, where the bullet was out, or one was compressed into the casing a little more than the other. And I was having feed issues with those in particular. So I can say I have not had a brand new box of bullets that I've put through any of these. That's why I haven't been really giving it a full, like saying that it's straight the functionality of the gun itself, because like I said, I haven't had right bullets, to be honest with you. But I will say the next time I go, I will have some brand new Winchester white box, just to say. And I'm not saying that I won't have any issues. I still may have issues, but at least I'll know it's not from those, you know, deformed bullets that I have. Those bullets that I have with some couple issues or whatever. So we'll see. But again, until next time, think mega, think greater than, ThinkMegaTV, mega guns, be responsible. Bang, 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 bang.
Black 34, custom. B2C. You know, got the little script with it.